data loading, cleaning, and visualization in Python. Data science begins with data. But raw data isn't always neat or ready to use. It often comes in messy spreadsheets, large CSV files, or databases full of errors. Today, Maya and Momo will learn how to load, clean, and visualize data in Python. These are the essential first steps of any data analysis journey. Just like spreadsheets organize rows and columns, Python's Pandas library organizes data into data frames. With a single command like pd read_CSV, you can load CSV files into Python. Excel files are just as easy using pd read_Excel. Pandas automatically reads column names, guesses data types, and gives you tools like head and info to preview structure. The head method shows the first 5 rows of your data. This quick glance helps you check column names, sample values, and any obvious problems. The info method provides details about data types, missing values, and memory usage, all clues about what cleaning may be needed. Real-world data is rarely perfect. Missing values are one of the most common issues. Pandas lets us remove missing rows with dropna, or fill them in with strategies like the mean, median, or custom values using fillna. The choice depends on your dataset. Sometimes missing values themselves carry meaning. Duplicates can distort your analysis, so Pandas provides drop_duplicates to remove them. Another crucial step is data type conversion. For example, a date column should be converted into a proper datetime object with pd to _datetime. Getting types right ensures your analysis runs smoothly. Once your data is clean, it's time to visualize. Python's Matplotlib library is the foundation for plotting. Line charts show trends over time. Bar charts compare categories, histograms reveal distributions, and scatterplots uncover relationships between variables. Visualization turns raw numbers into clear, meaningful insights. For more complex and statistical plots, we use Seaborn library. It builds on Matplotlib, but with cleaner designs and built-in statistical features. With Seaborn, you can quickly create regression plots to see relationships, box plots to compare groups, or heat maps to visualize correlations across many variables. These skills aren't just for practice, they drive real-world decisions. Businesses use sales data analysis to forecast demand and plan resources. Schools use performance tracking to identify struggling students and improve programs. By cleaning and visualizing data, organizations transform raw information into action. The workflow is always the same. Load the dataset, examine its structure, clean problems like missing values and duplicates, visualize patterns, and finally analyze insights. Following this process ensures your data is trustworthy and your results are reliable. Maya has discovered that data analysis starts with simple but powerful steps: loading, cleaning, and visualizing. With Python libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, you could transform raw data into clear insights. This foundation is the key to mastering the world of data science.